Professional colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It gives me immense pleasure to be here and to discuss the CMA role in the economy. The paradigm change in our economy took place in 1991 when we changed our policy from closed economy to liberalization and privatization. After that, 2020 again, COVID, because of COVID, total our ecosystem was disturbed, and we made core correction for our to sustain growth. Just after COVID, again, war and warlike situation took place all over the world, and nowadays the war is going on for longer period. It is not short, and that has also affected our economy. Apart from the conventional war, now the tariff war has started, and it is also taken a new dimension, and which has also impact on our economy. Therefore, but every stage we are changing our policy, either we are changing our way of working. Therefore, the human mind possesses a remarkable capacity for adaptability, and we change ourselves based on the situations. Wise people are they who understand situations and enrich themselves by grabbing the opportunities. That is called Divya Drushti. I expect from CMAs such Divya Drushti. In other words, CMA can explore the areas where nobody has, it is not visible to others. In my opinion, CMA has a big role in corporate world. This is a profession who can guide the management how to manage the cost. A CMA can highlight the areas where cost can be controlled and elimination of activities which are not contributing to the revenue and profit of the organizations. I started my career as a finance officer. Now, last 5 years, I am a CFO of the company. I believe in working and ideas out of box. I don't believe in working just like that in conventional way, and that's why always I believe to find out the areas which is not explored. During my tenure, During my tenure as CFO, the revenue of the company has increased 4.5 times, crossing 5,000 crores. PAT has increased 3.5 times. Market capitalization has increased more than 10 times. These achievements are not possible without Divya Drushti and without out-of-box thinking. The corporate excellence for CMA vision, which is the topic now, corporate excellence usually we mean that strategic leadership, innovation and out-of-box ideas, ethical governance, achieving sustainable growth, long-term value creation. I think the CMA has a big role for all these to achieve the corporate excellence and to give the best to the industry. If you will come, let me touch upon areas which requires attention of CMA and which requires some sort of changes in our system so that CMA will be more efficient and CMAs can contribute more. One of the point is that bringing more core competency to the table. We professionals deliver versatile range of core competency for industry and corporates. If you ask me, is sufficient? I will tell it is no. The core competency of lot of professionals is limited. What do they do? It is harsh truth. Expecting more is the basic nature of human being, but they are not superficial all the time. Similarly, we expect the institute to equip all of us with such comprehensive core competency to become rarest profession in the world. Monthly journals, regular seminars, webinars are helping. It is not enough as on date. In my opinion, mobile friendly applications, YouTube, shorts, online podcasts, and mostly used communication mediums should be used. And to become more competitive, the intent should be bold and specific. Learning should be consistent and relevant. Most important thing that CMS should be equipped with sufficient experience, industry experience. For this thing, we can call some industry experience persons who have spent few years in the industry, so that they can give their views, and they can, by that way, they can some sort of case studies they can provide, so that it will increase the efficiency level of CMH will increase. Adoption of adoption of new technology is most important, because my earlier speaker told that it is not taking our job, it will increase our efficiency. That's why all CMS should be equipped with adoption of technology. Everyone should indulge in themselves to become the part of the success story of CMA profession. Responsibility lies on our shoulder, and we take with pride. In this context, I would like to highlight a line from Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, verse 50, Karma Yoga Karmasu Kausalam, which align with our motto to be excellent with commitment and integrity. Thank you. Jai Hind.